Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best eco-friendly water bottles. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best eco-friendly water bottles for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When choosing an eco-friendly water bottle, it's essential to prioritize sustainability, health, safety, and durability. Opt for materials like stainless steel, glass, or BPA-free plastic, which are both environmentally friendly and reduce harmful chemical exposure. Stainless steel bottles are a top choice for their durability and insulation properties. They keep beverages hot or cold for hours and are virtually indestructible, making them ideal for outdoor activities and daily use. Look for bottles with a high-grade stainless steel, for example, 18/8, and a powder-coated finish for extra protection and grip. Glass bottles offer a clean, taste-neutral drinking experience and are fully recyclable. They often come with protective silicone sleeves to prevent breakage. While heavier than stainless steel, glass is perfect for those who prioritize a pure taste and easy cleaning. BPA-free plastic bottles are lighter and more affordable but ensure they are made from recycled materials to enhance their eco-friendliness. Choose bottles marked as free from harmful chemicals like BPA, BPS, and phthalates. Consider additional features such as built-in filters, wide mouths for easy filling and cleaning, and leak-proof designs. Brands committed to eco-friendly practices often provide information about their sustainability efforts, so check their policies and certifications. Investing in an eco-friendly water bottle reduces single-use plastic waste and promotes a healthier lifestyle. Choose a bottle that suits your needs and aligns with your environmental values to make a positive impact with every sip. Thanks for watching the video.